I never thought a loaf of bread could change my life. But then I tried this recipe. No fancy ingredients, no complicated steps, just flour, water, yeast, salt, and a little bit of time. That's all it took. It started as a simple way to save money, but soon baking became my therapy. The rhyme of kneading, the smell of dough rising, the warmth of the oven, it grounded me. It brought me back to myself. I used to rush through mornings. Now I slow down, toast a thick slice, lather it with the butter, and savor it like it's a scared ritual. This bread fed more than just my body. It fed my soul. It reminded me that joy can be simple and healing can start with something as small as a homemade loaf of bread. Try it, it might just change your life too.